It's way too early for this. So the reason we're up this early is because you need to finish the hike by 6. So pickup usually on these tours start around 2 a.m., 2:30 a.m. And in Ubud right now we're getting picked up at 2:30. It's a bit over an hour drive from where we're staying in Ubud to get to the area where the hike starts. 4 a.m. start to the hike. Gotta get to the top by like 6 to catch sunrise. There's a lot of people doing this hike, so it's clearly really popular. Hopefully the views will be incredible at the top. While hiking up, we also saw some lava remains from the last time the volcano erupted in 2000. About a 2-hour hike to the top. It's just hiking a pretty steep up the whole way, but you get here at sunrise and it's just beautiful. Views are absolutely insane. Was it worth the climb?
I think so.
Watching sunrise up here is such a stunning experience. It really is insane to see it rise above the clouds and volcanoes, and you can see some smoke coming up from the actual volcano you're on too. We also got a breakfast at the top, and after that we climbed down. The next spot we went to is a hot spring. Honestly, more of a tourist grab than anything, but it's part of the tour, so it's pretty nice to just sit here and relax. Right after, we went to a luwak coffee farm and tried some samples. This one might have been the biggest tourist scam. I would definitely suggest finding another spot to try some luwak coffee than the one on this tour because it's not worth it at all. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's onto a smaller island after this, so stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.